At this point, Mike and his brother were terrified but decided to keep quiet, not wanting to alarm their sister. They stayed on the phone with her until she got home safely. The next morning, Mike got a call from their father, a man known for being spiritually sensitive. His father asked him, "Did you know your sister brought home a guest last night?" Confused, Mike asked, "What do you mean, a guest?" His father replied gravely, "There was something with her on the way home. I've already taken care of it, though. She's fine now." Mike was shocked, but relieved that nothing worse had happened. To this day, he and his brother wonder who or what was speaking on the phone that night. So, what do you think? Who was that voice on the phone? Was it something paranormal, or is there another explanation? Let me know your thoughts in the